This tutorial demonstrates how we get to D or 3D plot and histograms. After the 7 combinations of results is analyzed in previous step, we click 3D box plus hist. The plot can be rotated or restored to original view. The histogram can be shown in one of the 7 combinations. In this case, primary is GFP, secondary is not used, thirdly is CF647. Parameters, such as bar width, frequency maximum, photon counts minimum and maximum are changeable. We can capture the histogram by clicking play this. The figure window will show. Click Save as to save into a specific format.